everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to click your tongue just like this. I'll specifically be showing you how to make a clicking sound with your mouth in this easy tutorial. Let's get right into the video. I have been able to make this sound since I was a kid. And actually, I make the sound sometimes around the house. If I'm like beatboxing a little bit, I'll include a sound, right? And actually my son just picked it up the other day. He was just able to do it. And I said, how did you learn how to do that, Luke? And he said, I just watched what you were doing with your mouth and I kept trying and then I got it. So I realized after he picked it up that I should make a tutorial because people might want to learn how to make that sound. So it's really easy. Essentially, let me tell you what I'm doing with my mouth, then I'll show you, and then I'll explain how you can do it too. So essentially, I have my tongue pressed up against the roof of my mouth, and I'm using suction power from the muscles at the back of my throat over here to sort of snap my tongue down. And when I snap my tongue down from the roof of my mouth, it creates a sound, just like that. It's not hard to do. I'll show you how to do it even with my mouth open, and it'll be a little bit easier. So what you want to do is essentially you want to press your tongue up against the roof of your mouth and go like that. Bring it down with your whole jaw, right? So you really want to make it obvious what's going on with your tongue, like this, right? So my tongue is pressed up against the roof of my mouth, and simultaneously, I'm using my throat muscles at the back of my throat to sort of create a little, like that, like a suction, I guess. And if that makes sense, I think that's what it is. Yeah, I'm using like a suction motion from the back of my mouth and simultaneously bringing my tongue down with my lower jawline, like this. Okay, it's like I'm chewing, like out of control. And what we're gonna do, in order to make that sound with a less obvious motion, is the same thing, but keep your teeth like this. So you see my throat muscle right there? I don't know what the name of the muscle is. We're just gonna call it the back of the throat muscle, okay? Like this. So what I'm doing is I'm using that throat muscle to create a little bit of suction, or at least pull my tongue off the roof of my mouth, just like I was doing before, but I'm only just slightly pulling it off, because in order to get that sound, you only need to pull it off like a little bit. So I don't need to open my mouth like that. I can just go like this. So what you can do is start like this, make it a little bit smaller, and then keep your jaw line together, keep your teeth together, and do the same thing. That's it. It's that easy. In the future, you're gonna get a tutorial on this as well. I can make lots of sounds with my mouth. Anyways, I'll do those tutorials in the future. Some of them I've actually already done. I believe the sound I've done before, but you're gonna get more tutorials on mouth sounds, like the droplet sound. I'm gonna be doing lots of those. So keep your eyes peeled, hit that subscribe button so you can get notified when these additional mouth sound tutorials come out. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.